Hello, my name is Michael. Welcome to Physics Teacher. I'm a high school math and physics teacher, and my channel incorporates all the lesson and fun that I try and bring to these subjects. It includes all the lectures that I teach my students in grade 11 and 12. We choose handouts that you can get for free from my website. You can find the website in the description of any video, or simply go to youtubephysics.teacher.ca. I also explain physics concepts by analyzing the physics in popular games and movies. You'd be surprised by some of the things I discover. I use a free physics simulation software called Algodoo to create fun projects. My videos include tutorials, contraptions, and marble races. As a science teacher, I obviously can't leave out fun and exciting experiments. So you'll see me do and explain many experiments done in high school. To help everyone's mental math, I post YouTube shorts to give you tips and tricks to impress your friends, family, and teachers. Any aspiring scientist should know some basic coding, so I have an introductory Python series to teach you how to code your computer to do the math for you. Speaking of code, can you decode this code? I go over basic codes and ciphers so you can have fun with secret messages. Please enjoy my channel, and if you'd like to support more videos, please consider subscribing. Thank you.